In this video, I'm going to show you how to take drone assignments from CalTopo and transfer them to an RCPro controller. The first step is make a clean map. Get rid of everything extraneous that's not the assignments. You don't have a lot of real estate on the screen of the controller. Okay, so we're going to start by going to print, and instead of a PDF, which would be normally used for printing a map, we're going to go down here to MBTile. Expand that out a little bit. This is the area that the tile is going to be, and this will be showing on your controller. If you wanted more area, you can drag things around. You can go anywhere you want, but for this, I think this will be just fine. This will cover the area that we're going to need to be searching. Okay, now we're set for that. I use 1 to 24,000. We're used to that for topo maps. I use Forest Service and then Map Builder Topo. That's what I like. You might want to use something else depending on what you're doing. Now that it's in the download folder, we're going to go there. We're going to install a thumb drive into the computer. I'm going to first rename this, and I'm just going to call it Waterman UAS OP13. We're going to drag that into the thumb drive, and I already have a folder called Drone Assignments. Now that it's on the thumb drive, we're going to take the thumb drive to the controller, and I'll show you how to load that in. I've taken the thumb drive with the tiles on it and plugged it into my controller. Now I'm going to start DJI Pilot 2. We're going to go enter camera view. Get rid of that. We're going to go to the map view, and on the right side below the compass needle, there's a little icon for layers. We're going to click on that. We're going to say import local files. Okay, for your C, we're going to do import again. We're going to click on the file folder there. We're going to go to the drone assignments folder, and there you see the Waterman UAS OP13 tiles. We're going to select that one, and we're going to confirm. It's going to say allow access to the USB drive. We're going to do that. We're going to allow it again. Imported successfully. Okay, we're going to back out of that. And you'll see that now Waterman OP13 is on the list of tiles. We're going to go where it says Waterman, and there's a little eyeball with a line on it. You're going to click on that, and now there's all the assignments, and you have the map from CalTopo. Now you're ready to go, and you can fly those assignments right on the map.